If we talk about the university, it is situated away from the main city, that is Onakoor. It is surrounded by hills and it provides a peaceful environment away from all distractions.
The first and foremost benefit of being a student of CVV IST that I feel is about the faculty and the learning experience that is provided. Apart from bookish knowledge, our faculty also encourages us for the overall skill development.
One of the major positives of this university has to be the caring and supportive faculty. Each and everyone, ranging from the HOS to other faculty, which include the physical education faculty, are always out there with a helping hand whenever needed. We are also provided with great lab facilities, which has all the required equipment.
We are also provided with a wide range of career opportunities, such as coding events like hackathons, workshops, campus visits, and a lot more.
Hi, my name is Anupama. I'm working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science at Onakoor campus. We have a curriculum developed in collaboration with the industry giants like TCS and IBM that makes our students industry ready. The interesting part is we provide hands-on experiences that prepare them for real-world challenges that through expert talks by professionals and industry visits to leading corporate companies. This approach transforms our students to know the updates and requirements of the industry by getting equipped with both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. Our aim is to shape the next generation industry leaders who can make India proud.
Those who can, do, and only those who know how can teach. This is what students pursue in the prestigious Integrated Teacher Education program in English and Mathematics.
The campus grounds have completely changed in the last few months. Our academic block and our hostels are just an indication of how beautiful our campus is going to be with the right infrastructure spread over 80 acres of land. The new campus has also enabled a more enhanced educational experience where I can learn about things such as Indian Knowledge System or IKS, a subject that is very close to my heart. It reminded me of the grandeur of our civilization and our values that helped it become the oldest civilization in the world. These are the very same values that CVV was envisioned by Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmaya.
One more point that I would like to add is about the design of the hostel rooms. All the hostel rooms are designed in a particular way that provides us with more comfort.
With the Chinmaya Vision program, we offer a unique perspective to students so that they can become teachers who offer the students the required input and facilitate them to reach greater heights.